Welcome to the future of effortless collaboration. Today, we're showing how simple it is to join, control, and customize your meeting room experience, whether you're using an iPad controller or the in-room touch display. With a single tap on the iPad, you can instantly join scheduled meetings. Just select your meeting from the calendar and tap Join. Prefer using the in-room touchscreen? No problem, the same meeting controls appear here as well, giving you flexibility from either device. The iPad makes switching between meeting options and room controls effortless. Adjust volume, mute microphones, manage cameras, and switch devices without ever leaving the meeting. Need to brainstorm or sketch out an idea? You can start a whiteboard session directly from the iPad. Draw, highlight, erase, and collaborate with meeting participants in real time on the room display. Whether you're capturing ideas on the fly or leading an interactive workshop, whiteboarding is always just a tap away. Want to launch a web app or installed program quickly? You can access selected apps directly from the iPad or room display, making it easy to pull up documents, dashboards, and collaboration tools on the fly. Whether you're presenting, collaborating, or running a hybrid meeting, these tools give you the flexibility to control your meeting your way. From the iPad or from the touch display, your room is always ready with Teatrx.